Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make veg lollipop with gravy. Start by chopping vegetables finely and pressing excess moisture from grated paneer or tofu into a cloth. Mix breadcrumbs, egg or flax binder, and seasoning, then shape into lollipop forms and chill briefly to firm. While they rest, simmer a tomato and onion gravy base until fragrant and thickened, ready for frying and finishing. Heat a skillet and sauté grated vegetables lightly to remove moisture and enhance flavor before mixing. Combine with crumbled paneer or firm tofu, breadcrumbs, spices like garam masala and salt, and a binder such as egg or flax paste. Form into rounds around skewers and chill for 15 minutes to firm. Fry in a hot pan with moderate oil until golden brown and crisp, then set aside while making the gravy. Create a silky gravy by slowly cooking onions until caramelized, then adding garlic, ginger, and pureed tomatoes for depth. Stir in warm spices like coriander, cumin, and a pinch of chili, then simmer with cream or blended cashews to enrich the sauce. Adjust salt and acidity, and finish with dried fenugreek or fresh cilantro for fragrance. Gently nestle the fried lollipops into the gravy to absorb flavor just before serving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.